Hello you guys, I am going to show you what brand you should get of fireworks and what brand you should not get. First off, I'm going to be telling you what has the biggest bangs. I don't have any proof, but these, they say that they have superpower, but they really don't. I'll be showing you that. Look at this. This fuse right here, I had to tape it back together if you see that, because this fuse just came right off. These firecrackers, pretty easy to come out. Pretty easy to pull out. And then we're going to be showing you the firecrackers. So these firecrackers, they have a pretty long wick in them. Fuse. You can see that. Yeah, they have a pretty long wick in them, but they are not very big. See that little hole right there? There's a lot of space in there. A lot of white powder in there. In the end, pretty good. But they're really loud too. They're only an inch, but they are pretty loud. Long wicks and safety. And on the cakes, as you can see here, the black hat. This came with a fuse cap to make sure that the fuse doesn't burn off. As you can see, I ripped it off from here. That cake, you see the ripped it off. It's right here. And the fuse is right here under the paper. Right there. And black cat, the flower rockets, I ripped it off. Did it on purpose. They're pretty packed in there. Pretty packed in there pretty well. And next, snake bite brand. This brand, as you can see, it's not wrapped. It's not in this spike right here. It's not in very well. It's coming out. This fuse is not very long. Pretty sure you have like a couple seconds to get off of that. And then for this cake right here, this is a long fuse. As you can see, very long fuse. It's good. And then last, the artillery shells. The launch base at the bottom. So these artillery shells. This is snakebite 1. I'll be showing you how bad this snakebite box is. All the black powder spilled all over it. See all that black powder? Yeah, spilled all over it. I'll be showing you what happened to it. If I can find the right one. Yeah, right here. This one right here. Put tape on it. There's a little hole right there. A little hole can do that much. And what else? The end on this, not very good. Look at that, yeah. Not very safe. I'll probably just be light. What I'm going to be doing is not very safe. I'll be lighting the bad ones on the ground just to make sure it doesn't blow up in the tube. And this tube, the only thing good about this brand, that brand Snakebite, the only thing good about that brand is artillery shell tubes, very thick. Very, very thick. And the launch base, it has 4 of those little lines. And this artillery shell You here, see that? Yeah. The two, not very thick. I'll show you the difference. Look how thick that is. And watch base. It's 4, but look at those nails. It's nailed into there. Not very safe. So overall, I think cutting edge brand right here and Black Cat brand is the way to go. Snakebite brand, okay, okay for the artillery shells, but except for the artillery shells, for all that black powder, not very good. So yeah, that is it. That is pretty much it. I got really bored and I had to do this once again. So, we'll make sure to do another video. Thanks. See ya.